Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. The keyboard is a vital part of your computer, letting you type, navigate, and control everything you do. When it stops working properly, it can really interfere with your daily tasks. In this video, I will walk you through 4 troubleshooting methods to get your keyboard back to normal in Windows 11. Let's go. Before you start troubleshooting, let's see if the problem might be hardware or software. If your keyboard has recently been splashed with water or suffered other physical damage and then stopped working, it's probably a hardware problem. But if there's no obvious physical damage, then you can try some software troubleshooting methods to get your keyboard working again. A simple restart might be the answer if the problem seems software related. Sometimes, especially if your computer's been running for a long time, minor glitches can develop and affect components like your keyboard. A quick reboot can often fix this and get things back to normal. Another effective method is to isolate the problem. If you're using a wired keyboard, try plugging it into a different USB port on your computer. Better yet, test it on another working PC to see if it works there. If you have a laptop and the problem seems to be with the built-in keys, try connecting an external keyboard. The simple process of elimination can help us determine whether the problem is with a particular USB port, the built-in keyboard itself, or a software setting in Windows. After identifying the cause, it will be easier to decide what to do next. Outdated drivers can also cause keyboard issues. Let's try updating them first. Right-click on the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand the Keyboard section, and look for a driver that matches your specific keyboard's manufacturer and model. If you can't find it and only see generic keyboard drivers, update them one by one. To ensure the changes take effect, restart your computer after each update. Alternatively, try uninstalling the drivers instead if updating doesn't work. After uninstalling, restart your PC again so Windows can automatically reinstall the latest drivers for your keyboard. If you have tried these methods and your keyboard is still not working, this could indicate physical damage to the keys themselves. Your best bet is to buy a new keyboard instead. In the meantime, you can still use your computer with the on-screen keyboard that Windows provides. To activate it, simply right-click the Start menu, go to Settings, and open the Accessibility menu. Navigate to Keyboard, and turn on the toggle switch for the on-screen keyboard. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.